redo my bathroom. So I am listed today, my sister, and first we're going to start with my tub. Hey Gabby, is this my color?
Definitely not. It does not match your decor at all.
Well, let's get to it. First, we're going to take out the existing hardware. Next, we'll scrape all that grout off. But before we do that, we need a paper towel to block the drain so it doesn't get clogged. Next, you're going to need some household cleaner and a cloth to clean any dirt and grime off the tub. Next, you're going to need some lime away, and you'll need a scrubby sponge. And don't forget, you'll need a glove. Now let's try. We need a 400 grit piece of sandpaper, safety goggles, and gloves. For our final step, we're using the tack block. And we're gonna wipe the tub and making sure it's dust free.
And now I'm going to tape off the tile to make sure it doesn't get any paint on it.
Gabby's gonna help mix the epoxy coating.
Alright, Luca, why don't you pour the mixture into this rubber band?
All right.
For you. Unfortunately, while painting our first coat, our roller decided to fall apart. So now we have to sand the entire tub. But we wanted to make sure to tell you guys to get a good roller, that way you won't have to do this step.
We got the tub coating done. Now, remember to wait 3 days until putting any water on it.